Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I am using the Sleek Workflow actions for Photoshop. This is video number 2. For a full overview on how to edit and load and use the Sleek Workflow actions, please do watch video 1. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to click and play the Sleek Workflow multi-layer setup. This all-in-one workflow action is it's small but very, very mighty. It will set up a powerful group of 20 essential balancing layers above your main image here. As you can see, some of them have white layer masks and some of them have black layer masks. The white layer mask means you need to slide the opacity of that layer to get the effect, and the black layer masks mean you need to paint it on. You'll see a white brush has already been selected for you. You need to make sure this is on normal mode, not dissolve or anything odd like that, on 100% opacity and 25% flow. So let's get started. I'm going to slide this white balance up until I'm happy. You can see it's calling the image down. This is an automatic white balance. I'm just going to bring that up a little bit here. I think I'm going to brighten the image up, so I'm going to come up here to brighten image and slide that one. I'm going to take a little bit of the contrast down on this image here. I might also warm it up. So you can see I'm just kind of clicking through, looking at the image to what it needs and finding the relevant layer there. Now I'm going to come in a little bit closer, grab the brush, and I'm going to soften the skin down a bit. This action set doesn't contain any of the kind of extensive retouching skin actions, but it does contain just enough that you can really go through and create a super fast and effective edit. Whether you're using this as a soft proofing or as a full edit for your clients, you can do both. So let's brighten these eyes a little bit more. I'm just going to shrink that brush down. You can shrink it down by right clicking, or you can use the left bracket key. So I'm just brightening up those irises a little bit there. If you go a bit too far, you can simply switch here to a black brush and take it off again. Black is hide and white is show. So use sharp pop here. I'm going to use this on the eyelashes, making sure I'm back onto a white brush. Across the lips. I may pop these little toes and fingers out too, and perhaps that bow. And I'm just going to sharpen here. I'm going to click Go Away Red and just bring this across the hands and feet. This is a very gentle redness reducer, but again, it is just enough. So I think I'm going to come here on the bold tones layer and just bring that up a little bit. Perhaps warm it up even more. I'm going to bring a little bit of vignette in. By sliding that, you see that's darkening those edges. I'm going to grab a black brush on the vignette. Black is hide, and I'm just going to make sure to take this off of the skin there. Okay, so that's a super fast edit. That 3-minute edit before and after. And you can go ahead and carry on with your normal editing if you want to. You can use this as a standalone. You can batch this across multiple images if you have them open. This makes a wonderful starting base, and it can also make a complete edit if you get your images pretty much bang on out of camera. It's really versatile. It's suitable for all levels of Photoshop, from beginners to pros, and I think you'll be really surprised at how fast you're able to work with this action set. The Sleek Workflow action set is available at www.lsp-actions.com.